The Republic of Ireland is currently experiencing labor shortage in different sectors of the economy. So whether you're a construction worker, a healthcare professional, an IT specialist, there are visa sponsorship jobs for you in Ireland. And in today's video, I'm going to show you over 5,000 employers that are ready to hire you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jackie and I help people move abroad. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to move abroad this year. If this is your first time on the channel, please drop a comment below. I'd really love to read from you. And I always have something special for first timers. So just type below, "It is my first time." All right. And if you want me to personally help you move abroad, you can send me an email and we will get to talk over a call. Before we get into the topic of today, if you like to make passive income, if you want to make money monthly without doing anything, then come closer. I have the perfect side hustle for you. It's an online business you can start, a real legit business that you can start online. It's a publishing business. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP. I have been a publisher on Amazon KDP for over 6 years now, and you can do it exactly the way I did it. You can make as much as $1,000, $5,000, $20,000. For some people, this is a full-time business where they are making 6 figures. All you need to do to start is buy your manuscripts from stackly.com. Stackly has curated the best-selling public domain books that are currently in demand globally. So you buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP, and Amazon pays you every month. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 3 billion active customers every month. So the customers are waiting for you to publish your books. So do it the lazy way. Just buy already formatted and edited manuscripts from stackly.com, and it's going to be coming with free training. So we'll show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, how to get paid to your local bank accounts, and general guidance for your success in your KDP business. They have 5 manuscript packs you can buy depending on your budget. Feel free to buy any of them that you can afford, but the more the better. So I highly recommend a pack of 400 manuscripts. That is where you get to make the most money. And there is also an exclusive group you can join, a group of publishers from all around the world. Send me an email and I'll add you to the group. The news about labor shortage is all over the news in Ireland. You can see this from the Irish Times. This headline says, "Skills shortage driving wages in construction sector." Build cost director Liam Langan highlights factors behind rapidly increasing construction wages. So wages in the construction sector is skyrocketing, and that is because of the labor shortage. So this is a good time to grab one of these construction jobs in Ireland. Another headline here says, "Government urges to lift dairy farm work permits quota." And it says here that the government is being urged to lift the quota of general employment permits for dairy farm assistant roles. So the dairy farm sector is also saying we need more foreign workers. So they're asking the Irish government to increase the number of work permits that they issue to foreign workers that work in dairy farm. Another one here says horticulture sector needs more skilled workers. Right? It's all over the news in Ireland. This one says Ireland's current skill supply insufficient to meet future demand. The truth is there is labor shortage in Ireland, so they really need to hire foreign workers at the moment. So you can take advantage and move to Ireland to advance your career this year. There are several work permits available for foreign workers. There is the general employment permit, there is the critical skills employment permits. I have talked so much about these permits on the channel, and I also have an ebook for you that you can get. It's titled Work in Ireland. It's a complete guide for foreign workers to land a visa sponsorship job in Ireland and move to Ireland to work and settle, and you can move with your family. So if you want to move to Ireland, obviously you're watching this, so that is proof you want to move to Ireland. So I highly recommend that you grab my ebook. It contains all the information you need about the visa type, so you can find the visa that is best for you based on your occupation. It also gives you insights into the labor market, how to land a job, and in the ebook I also have over 5,000 employers that are ready to sponsor your visa Everything is in the ebook. I have CV samples for you as well that you can just edit to use and apply for jobs. There are different CVs in different occupations, whether you're a healthcare worker and all of that. We have those samples there and sample cover letters as well. So this ebook is the one resource you need to land a visa sponsorship job in Ireland. So do use the link down below in the description box to get your copy, or you can send me an email and I'm going to share the link with you to grab your own copy. It's like me holding your hand through the entire process to land a job in Ireland. I highly recommend it. There's been amazing reviews from those that got the book last year, so I also want you to take advantage of this amazing opportunity to move to Ireland. So let me get to show you a recruitment agency in Ireland, then we're going to look at the employers as well so you can see how to land a job in Ireland. Okay, before that, let's just look at the types of employment permits that are here. Number one, the critical skills employment permit. This one targets high-skilled people with the aim of encouraging them to take up permanent residence in Ireland. So just after 2 years only, you can apply for your permanent residence in Ireland and you can move with your family immediately. Here, your employer also does not need a labor market test to employ you, so the employers will be more open to hiring you. So here, for this work permit, you get a fast-tracked process. You can get your permit in 2 weeks and you can go immediately with your family. So it's really amazing. This one is for ICT professionals, professional engineers, and technologists, and all of that. Then there's the dependent partner spouse employment permit. That one allows dependents and recognized partners to work in Ireland. And then there's the intra-company transfer employment permit. There is a general employment permit. This is the one everyone is going to be applying for: carpenters, plumbers, construction workers, agriculture workers, horticulture, and all of that. You get to apply under that. So here is a long list, right? So let us look at recruitment agencies. Let's start from this one, Hayes Recruitment. This is Hayes, an international recruiter, in Ireland. They are super amazing. So you can come here and upload your CV, create an account here, and then upload your CV so they can match you with an employer in Ireland. So if you click here for job seekers, said as your career evolves, we are here with you on your journey. So you can search for jobs here, but trust me, you don't need to rely only on the jobs that they have advertised here. So while you're applying for jobs that they've advertised here, also work with them behind the scenes to get a job as well, because they are privy to so many jobs that don't make it to the website. So I search for jobs in Dublin, but you can keep it open. So this one is for senior EHS advisor, and the pay here is 75,000 to 85,000 euros. So here is the information about it. It's for in the construction industry, and all the info is here about the role, your qualifications and skills, what you'll get in return, competitive package, attractive salary, vehicle allowance, pension, professional fees, and a performance bonus. So there's a lot here that you stand to gain from joining this company. So you can just click and apply to the job right here. So there are many openings. There is property manager here, business manager, construction planner. It's a lot, right? So you can work with them to land a job. All right, let me mention this, right? For those that are new to the channel, I have a mentorship program for those that want to land a visa sponsorship job abroad. Whether you want to work in Canada, the US, Australia, the UK, Ireland, Netherlands, all around the world, I have a mentorship program that will help you to land this visa sponsorship job, because that's what I do. I help people to move abroad for career opportunities. So you can register to join the mentorship program. It's a very personalized mentorship, so it's going to be centered on what you want. So you're going to be getting direct employers in the country of your choice. You'll be getting help with your CV, your cover letter, your interviews, the visa processes, everything you need, 360 guidance to assist you move abroad this year for work. So if you want to register, please type down below register, and also use the link that is in the description box to register, or you can send me an email and I'll share the link with you to register. So when you register, please join the WhatsApp group immediately. If you're registered already and you're not yet in the WhatsApp group, please send me an email so I can add you to the WhatsApp group. But once you register, immediately join the WhatsApp group, all right? We have live sessions there. It's really interesting in the WhatsApp group, so try to register, okay? So let's see more employers here. So right here is a list of employers that sponsored visas in 2025, all right? So we have here from January to December, every month they have details about the number of sponsorships, visa sponsorships or work permits, let's call it that these companies issued to foreign workers. This information, by the way, was released by the Irish government, okay? So this is official. So this is proof that work permits are being granted to overseas workers. And these are the companies that have granted those visa sponsorship jobs. So you can work with this list to land a job. So how can you use this list? There are over, let's see how many they are at the moment. This is the updated list. There are over 8,300 on the list, as you can see here. You can just come here, copy your name, and go search on Google. That's one way to use this list to land a job so that you're targeting the employers directly. So this is the one we are looking for, IQVIA. So you go to their website and see what they are about. You see about us, this one they've said, we are IQVIA in Ireland, support life science companies across the full product life cycle from R&D through to commercialization, and work with healthcare providers to enable them support their HSE patients and improve health outcomes. So you can go to the careers page and see the jobs they have available. So they have careers in clinical research, technology and analytics, consulting, interns, clinical research associates, AI and machine learning. So you can search out these jobs and apply. So that's basically what you can do with the over 8,000 employers that are on this list. By the way, if you get my ebook, you're getting all these names, all right? You're getting this list when you get the ebook. All right, so that's basically what you can do. And then for some of these companies, they may not have websites. So when you search for the company on Google, you are going to see where they have advertised their jobs. Some of them don't advertise on their own websites because they may not have like an in-house IT person to be updating the website. So they would usually outsource, their vacancies. So you would be finding them in other job boards around. So always search and you can find that. So if it's not on a website, you're going to see it on a job board, right? I also have all the job boards listed in the ebook as well. So that ebook, I highly recommend it. If you want to move to Ireland, please get the ebook. It's very, very affordable. There's currently a discount sale on the ebook, so you rush now and get it. So much to show you, but let us just stop there for now. I look forward to seeing you in the mentorship WhatsApp group. Let us continue the conversation there, all right? Let me know in the comments what your needs are when it has to do with moving abroad for work. Which countries you want to move to? What is your sector? What is your occupation? Which country are you moving from? All this information is going to help me to bring you quality information that will be useful to you. So let me know in the comments below where you're watching from, which countries you want to move to, what's your occupation. Let me know in the comments, all right? Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me.